traders from across the globe. Welcome, and thank you for tuning in. And this time you're tuning into my 3,100th video. I was going to say 3,100, but it sounds better that way, doesn't it? 3,100 videos. Insane, right? Plus, we probably have another 1,000 more on YouTube of different things I've done as far as webinars and you name it are concerned. So make sure you look at my YouTube channel. You know where to find that. Traders, trading is risky, like any game, like any trading, like anything else. There is risk involved. How do you mitigate that risk? Put your protective stop in first before you ever buy or sell anything, and you will mitigate your risk. Put those stops in any market that allows. All right, traders, so for trading on Wednesday, July 8th, I've got some things to talk about that are pretty exciting. A quick announcement. If you've been hearing from Mikey, if you've been getting phone calls from the 702 area code, that's my son Mikey. And I thank all of you. You've been so nice to him. You've been answering your phones. If you see 702, make sure you answer it. So, on top of that, many of those Omniacs have said, when's your dad going to have another Omni camp? We need a date. And I don't like doing Omni camps in the summer here in Vegas. It's just too hot. So for the traders who have asked, I am going to announce it. September 10th through the 14th. It's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. September 10th through the 14th. Omni camp will happen here in Las Vegas. Go to Omni Bootcamp right now. Fill out those applications. Seats are extremely limited. I am only approving 5 students. Make sure you fill out that application now. I'm only approving 5 students. That is at omnibootcamp.com. Omni Camp here in Vegas, September 10th through the 14th. Nice long weekend. We'll study together here in my home office, and I'll teach all of you the Omni. What else is going on out there? Well, we've got a dead red Omni, dead red pointing straight down for trading on the 8th. So what does that mean? That means we're selling rallies in E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, or Russ for trading on Wednesday, July 8th. At least we're starting off the session that way. What we've learned about trading these days is when you get in a trade and you make profit, you get the hell out and you sidestep because we don't know where it's going to close anymore, right? Could be going down all day. At the end of the day, it closes at new highs. We get all kinds of crazy things. So make sure you trade, you get out, and you sidestep. Be nimble. You have to be like Jack Dempsey, the boxer. He pops out of the corner, he throws a few punches, he goes back in the corner. That's what we need to do, right? Throw those punches, get back off to the sidelines. Don't let the market turnarounds get you. So we look to get in, find an Omni profit objective, get out, and sidestep. That's what we're telling you to do in this insane volatility. Bitcoin is decoupling from other altcoins. It's happening constantly. And I'll tell you what, the Bitcoin chart looks pretty ugly. You'll see a chart in the chart segment of Bitcoin. But it is decoupling. It is starting to become an asset that when it goes down, other altcoins go up. They're decoupling away from what happens in Bitcoin. It used to basically be if Bitcoin was going down, altcoins went with it. Any other coin but Bitcoin. That is changing rapidly. Bitcoin's been going down for 6 months. A lot of altcoins have not, including the OMNIPHOENIX. It makes new highs constantly. So make sure you're watching out what happens with Bitcoin. As you know, and you'll see in the chart segment, I am out of Bitcoin for the first time in many, many years, and I never thought I'd say those words. Now, there are 2 places where I'd get back in if it goes higher, or if I'd get back in if it goes lower, but where it is now, I am out. I'd rather be putting money into my OMNIPHOENIX token. It's doing much better on the upside, as is Solana. What the Omni token is built on Solana. So Solana's doing better, the Omni token's doing better. That guy's not doing as well. So I sort of rolled out of that and into the other stuff. I'll keep you posted on that. Silver and gold look terrible. Wait until you see the charts on them. Just, I don't like silver and gold here at all. OMNIPHOENIX just keeps going. In fact, it went up and made a new high as I was filming for this video. I printed a chart. I'm going to put the chart up on here. It's higher than I have on my chart already, and I didn't even get a chance to do the video yet. That's for you Omniacs around the world. You're doing great. Keep buying the Omni token. Love what you're doing. I am there to protect you. A gift for stock traders. At the end of this video, I'm going to offer a gift for you stock traders out there that trade single stocks. I think you're going to like what you see. Make sure you pay attention to the chart segment. A gift for my stock traders, my Omniacs around the world, will be offered to you during the chart segment. So to reiterate, Omni, dead red, was selling rallies in E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell. I don't like what Bitcoin is doing for the last few months. I don't like what it's doing now. I think it's in a bear F flag, and I like alt currencies instead. Silver and gold, yuck. Wait till you see the charts. OmniCoin, oh my God, I couldn't be in anything better right now. Thank you, God. Thank you, OmniX. Thank you, Omni Token. And stock traders, get ready for your little, I hope it helps. I'll show you something cool. You figure out what to do with it from there. All right, traders, I'm going to show you some great charts. Remember, fill out those OmniCamp applications. Do it now at Omni Bootcamp. I'm taking 5 of you only, and it's right after the heat ends here in Vegas in the summer. Mikey's calling you from the 702 area code. If you get a 702 number on your phone, don't deny it. People go, oh, I don't know the number. They hang up. Answer it. It's going to be Mikey. He's not selling you anything. He's a great kid. Just a courtesy call. Plus, if you want to get on the phone with me, he'll switch you over to me. So make sure you answer your phones. Watch out what's going on in the Russell, NASDAQ, yes, but sidestep after you take your profits. As I mentioned, Bitcoin's decoupling. Silver and gold are terrible. OmniPhoenix, get your coin while you can. And I'll give that gift out to traders. So we're going to go look at the charts. We're going to go look at them now. But a reminder to you. You need to, A, put your stops in first. B, never ever make emotional decisions. C, you have to say this to yourselves over and over again when you get in a trade. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stop, sir. Emotions are rock and roll, traders. Now let's go look at some charts. Traders, your E-mini daily bar chart, E-mini S&P daily bar chart. I've been showing this to you in video after video after video. It looked promising yesterday when it stuck its head up. And then what did it do on Tuesday? And all the way back down. Is that a failure? Kind of looking like it because we got an Omni pointing straight down for trading on Wednesday. Look at what happened with NASDAQ. The opposite side, by the way, of the pennant. NASDAQ was trying to hold, held the average, went up, and then on Tuesday ended up settling down here below the pennant. Another red Omni, by the way, even though that's green, it's a red Omni. And then let's move out. Look at gold. Look at how ugly gold looks. Look at what happens when gold hits that red line. See the arrow? Red line. See the arrow? Red line. See the arrow? And the Omni's pointing down for trading gold. Gold looks ugly. Then we've got silver. Silver looks even worse. If you recall, I've been showing you the head and shoulders for a long time, and I've been showing this bear flag every day in my live streaming, and now we hit the top of the bear flag on Monday, we dropped on Tuesday, and Omni is red and down for trading on Wednesday. Looking ugly in the metals. What's making metals look so ugly? Look at this crazy strong dollar. And see what it does? It builds these weird bull flags. Built another one here. Bull flag, rally, bull flag, rally, bull flag, and rally out of the bull flag is all we have seen on the way up. And we expect this pattern to repeat until it stops. Repetitive patterns are repetitive and are countable, or accountable if you will, until they stop repeating. Right now it has not stopped repeating. That is a very accountable, if you ask me, cycle or pattern. Now we're moving out to currencies, but not alt currencies, or I should say we're moving out to Bitcoin, which is decoupling from alt currencies, and here's why. Look at the massive drop into the bear flag, massive drop into the bear flag, drop, and I think we've got an Oscarism called the F flag waiting right here. This is the lowest Bitcoin has traded in a long time, and look, it's already getting lower. It's trying to move lower. We're testing the top of this flag right now. I don't like what I see. We'll find out what it's going to do, but if you ask me, this flag's going to end up paying, but we'll take it one day at a time. Now, as you can see, you've got Bitcoin down, 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 and looking nasty. You want to see the decouple? This is what Solana looks like. Isn't that different? That is different, right? Solana looks great And Solana used to follow Bitcoin like it was its baby puppy dog. It stayed right behind them, you know what I mean? And if Bitcoin went down, so did Solana. Well, Solana's been going up and Bitcoin hasn't been, not as much. So I like what I see. And then look at the Omni token, which is built in Solana. It's built on Solana, and since its inception, the OMNIPHOENIX has just been doing the right thing. Came out of this pennant flag into a channel, out of that channel into a stronger channel, and right before I did the video, we popped up to here to a new high. Congratulations, Omniacs, who are in the OMNIPHOENIX. If you're not in the OMNIPHOENIX, you are missing an opportunity of a lifetime. Make sure you get in. This thing's going to 10 and then 15 million. It's only at 2 and change. Get yourselves in. Get in now. The OMNIPHOENIX is doing really, really well. You know, I started sending out recommendations around this world by fax machine in 1982. I kid you not. I built a reputation by fax. The internet came out in 94. The internet got bigger. I have been building an Omniac crowd for 4 decades. 4 decades, kids. And they love me. They love my coin. They know I am full of integrity. And they're buying it from all over the world. You could buy it at Phantom Wallet, Coinbase, Pump.fun, most exchanges. I advise you to get in. This is a community coin. We have a very strong, long-lasting community, and we're helping each other, and we're all going to take this coin much, much higher. Get your OMNIPHOENIX while you can. The information about how to buy this will be below the video. Now, this is a gift I want to give out to my stock traders. For about the last 6 or 7 days, we covered TTWO. That is the company that is going to release the software everyone's been waiting for how long now? We can't even count the years. GTA, Grand Theft Auto, they're going to release it. This is the big run-up about the release. What did it do? It hit the double top that we talked about for the last 10 days and dropped all the way to here. Failed immediately at that double top. And the gift is, when we see a double top, we sell a double top. And that, my friends, is a double top. Make sure you take advantage of it. It is waiting for you. Go look at TTWO for yourselves and see what you think. And the more is this. Just a reminder. OmniCamp in Las Vegas. OmniCamp new schedule September 10th through the 14th. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It's a nice long weekend. Fill out your applications at omnibootcamp.com. Fill them out now. Seats are very limited.